Ads, you can earn $1.60. Watching 10 Google Ads, you can earn over $16. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $2, over $5, and even over $7 every minute watching Google Ads. So, like this video, let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website where you can watch Google Ads and earn money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, this site has already paid over 200,000 US dollars to its users. They are secure, transparent, and they have a sustainable system, and you can trust these websites. So when you are here, you just want to click where it says sign up, then create a username, create a strong password, enter your email in these two boxes. Check I am not a robot, check I agree to the terms of service, and create an account. It's completely free to use this website, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can be from the USA, UK, Canada, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Philippines, or any country around the world. You can still earn money from this website. But for our future video, comment down the name of your country so that I can create more video for you and others watching from your country. Alright guys, let's dive into this particular website and let's start making money. The name of this website is PTC Share. So you go to your Google browser and type ptcshare.com. Now this is your platform. If you already have a login detail, you can come here and log in. But if not, just come over this place and click on it to sign up. Now you can enter a username here. Enter your username, enter a strong password. Repeat the password here. Then come here and enter your email address. Enter the same email address here to confirm. Then click I'm not a robot. Then agree to the terms and services. You can go ahead and create your account. Alright, now you created your account, you can go ahead to log into your account. Now if you have a two-factor authentication token, you can click on that. I don't have that, so I'll click on I'm not a robot. Then I'll click on login. Okay, my email has not been verified, so I have to go over to my email to verify my account. There's a particular email I use, so I have to go to that particular email to verify my account. I think a message has been sent there already, so I just need to go there to verify. Okay, this is the message, so I'll click on it. This is the message. To complete your account registration and to activate your account, please click here. So I'll go ahead and click there. Okay, it has taken me back to the platform, so I'll go and click the login button, come here and enter. Okay, I've saved my details already, so I'll come here and click I'm not a robot. Then I'll go ahead and click login. Alright, this is my account. It says you have just received 100 BAPs as welcome bonus. Now you see I've received 100 BAPs as a welcome bonus. PTC share is a bit different from all other paid to click sites out there, as we value members for their activities commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings. On this page you have an overview of the most important things in PTC share, your status as a member. Alright, now I'll click on next. So this is just an overall view of what I've seen. Okay, now is your account active and eligible to receive ads? Yes. Do you have bonus point to receive cash ads? Yes, 100. All right. Are you eligible to receive daily ad issues? Yes. Okay, so I think I am good to go. All right, so my bonus. Okay, I've claimed my bonus. Let's click the. Now this is where you can view your ads. Say N, view ads. So click on this one. View 50 ads. Now it's view pays ads to earn $0.025. So let's view these ads. You click on view paid ads. Now you follow this particular instruction. Click or touch the summer ad. Now you look at the summer. This, I think, this is summer ad. We click on it. Click or touch the folder. There's the folder. Then you click on confirm. You wait for the countdown. Now you can also do affiliate marketing on this particular site. You can advertise their products for them and you get paid also. You can advertise and get paid. Now you can watch as many ads as you can. Let's click on the next one. Click or touch the tank. The tank. There's the tank. You can see that ads are popping up. Let's see earnings. So guys, look at my balance. I've made this particular balance for just watching those few hours I just watched. So you just go ahead and keep watching ads. So you go and click on N and you go to view ads. Come over here and you want to watch this for $0.12. You're taking a survey here. Okay, let's we have viewing ads, so let's view paid ads. Click or touch the streamer. So we click on this and you click on confirm. So when this countdown gets to 0, it means you have finished watching this ad. You can click on next to watch more ads. Click on or touch the bikini. The bikini. I think this is the bikini. And click on confirm. So guys, this is how you can make money watching Google ads. So just keep clicking and keep watching these ads and you're going to accumulate your money in dollars. Guys, this is so amazing. You can do it. Just go to PTC Share, get registered and start making money today. So let's see what I have made here on PTC Share. As you can see my earning, I've earned this particular amount. So as you keep watching, as you keep earning in dollars, you can do it from anywhere in the world, anywhere you are situated in the world. You can be a Nigerian, you be from the US, from the UK, from Canada, from Bangladesh, from Philippines. You can make money on this particular site.